Long and the short of it was I had to have a corrective neck surgery for hemorrhaging discs. And when I came to Vigor Fitness, I was looking for a better way and a smarter way to train. When I showed up, I couldn't do a single push-up. I was having trouble doing squats because of my back and my knee issues and a rebuilt ankle and neck as well. And been really understanding and helping build a tailored program to help me specifically get back into doing professional wrestling. The dynamic movement and the recovery and mobility drills. If I have a flare-up with an injury or acquire something new, all I have to do is let Zach know about an hour or two ahead of time and show up to class with my own tailored program targeting my specific issues. I've done competitive grappling for approximately 15 years to include freestyle, collegiate wrestling, and now jiu-jitsu and professional wrestling. Added muscle mass on top of what I had, and then I lost from my surgeries and my time out from not even able to do a simple push-up or sit-up on my own. Yeah, come to Vigor Fitness. It's honestly, it's a smarter, better way of training. It's a different way of thinking, and each program is individually tailored for what you need. Like I said, if I have a flare-up with an injury, all I have to do is let them know, and I'll have something specifically just for me during the class that I can work on. And the atmosphere isn't based off of what anybody else can do. It's based off of what I can do. Can I touch my toes? Can I do one full push-up? Can I do one pull-up? And build off of that, so on and so forth.